Welcome to the Junk Wax Zone. We're going to open a box of 21-22 Topps Merlin soccer cards. Apparently there's 3 exclusive Aqua Prism parallels inside each box. So let's see what we come up with here. Wow, you got quite a few packs in here. All right. Let's see what we got. Hopefully a messy card in here, right? All right. Anthony Elanga, Neymar Jr., Michael Antonio, and Hannibal. U23 stars. Koki, Malo Gusto, Diogo Jota, Manuel Locatelli, and Jamal Musiala. Gavi, Milan Skriniar, Joseph Stanisic, and Zlatan Ibrahimovic. These are pretty cool cards. They're pretty heavy duty, actually. Alright, who we got here? We got Daniel Merlin, Heung-min Son, Luis Muriel, Sofiane Diop, and we got another prism here. What do we got? Matteo Pessina. About halfway through, no Lionel Messi yet, though. We got a numbered card here on the back. All right. What we got here? We got Leslie Ugokachuo, Kyogo Furuhashi, Ryan Gravenberch. Oh yeah, what do we got here? Declan Rice. Nice. That's number 125 of 199. Zidane Iqbal, Matthias de Ligt, Boom Kachuna, and the prophecy fulfilled, Trent Alexander-Arnold, Liverpool. Sweet. Ansu Fati, Sydney Rebiger, Suso, Jack Grealish, and what do we got here? Alessandro Bastoni. Final pack. Harvey Barnes, Vinny Jr., Leon Goretzka, and lastly, Edinson Cavani, Ageless Alchemy. Pretty nice. So we got some pretty cool inserts. This one's definitely the big winner though. The Declan Rice. 125 of 199. Alright, well thanks for watching. That's it for this episode of the Junk Wax Zone. Make sure to like and subscribe.